I have no idea what's in this toolbox, but I don't think the keys I have for it are right. I'm gonna see if I can maybe break it open. I don't know. So loud. Probably just gonna have to drill it. I don't want. Oh, look at that. That was impressive. It's like magic. Okay. Ooh, I'll open that too far, I guess. I heard it. I think I might have been it too far. Whoops. Alright. Is this one open if I do that? We got, hey, there's a radio back there. There's some Ohio plates tucked back. Now I need to get the other side open. What else? Tool bag. Radiator cap. Some kind of cooler. Some Oxy interior cleaner. Let's see if we can do it the other side. See if it'll work. Maybe it just needs grease because the side goes that way too, and I didn't bend it. Alright. Look at this hammer. Alright, so let's get this tray out of here. Let's see what's under it.
Ain't that fancy?
Oh wow. There's a whole other radio in here. I don't know if it's for this truck. Maybe they was planning on putting it in. It's a Delco with a cassette. So maybe they was planning on swapping this into the truck because it has the old AM unit. It might fit. That's pretty cool. What else is in here? These would have came in handy trying to move it. There's freaking chains in here. These almost look like the same lights that are on the front. Maybe they was getting ready to put new ones. Somebody installed these old fog lamps on the front. Maybe that's what they was getting ready to do, or these kind of look like. Can't tell if these are clear or amber. Oh, they're clear. Yeah, these are forced resin metal chrome, so they was probably getting ready to put these on the front. Got an Ohio plate. This is probably from when it was in Ohio. These are old plates. Oh, look at this. Ohio. Okay, so this plate was issued. This one was issued in 2010. So that really puts a date of the last time it was in Ohio before my great grandfather took to Texas. 2010 is when this expired. Ohio temporary tag in 2011. Sticker in the window since 2011, so it was like right around this time that he got it and took it to Texas. So these are probably the plates it had on it back when it was here. Looks like we got a third brake lamp for something, not for this. More chain. Little mini shovel. Sure, it looks like it extends. Gotta dig your roots. Pretty neat. Some electrical tape, that's always good. Lots of hose clamps, I like that. Little ratchet. About what you'd expect to find in the toolbox, I suppose. Have to replace these lock cylinders. I don't think this key is right. Maybe not. Banged it with a hammer. This key will magically work, but doubtful very. I don't think this is the right key. It came with two different keys, but neither of these seem to be it. Well, that about sums it up for the toolbox.